GM Cardano, I'm Lloyd Duhan. It is the 13th of November 2023. Here are your top stories. On November 3rd, Lanningham of Sundae Labs held a governance metadata workshop. Key points of discussion included the need for canonical serialization format to simplify hashing and signing metadata, and a URI standard for referencing Cardano transactions. Highlighted the philosophy behind the standard.
Ledger can't enforce anything about the metadata. It can't enforce that it exists. It can't enforce the structure. It's basically, from the Ledger's perspective, free-form data. And that's because we don't want to store all of that data on-chain.
In a follow-up workshop on November 12, further reviewed the draft standard. Attendees discussed signing and hashing approaches to enable validation while keeping metadata extensible. They talked about encapsulating mutable and immutable portions to simplify hashing for integrity checks. He outlined best practices for tool creators, like gracefully degrading metadata views when formats are unclear. He explained the goal is smooth adoption without breaking existing tools. Participants agreed example schemas would help guide real-world implementations. Both workshops focused on creating a minimum viable governance metadata standard. Said he is incorporating feedback into an updated SIP 100 draft. He plans to soon publish the proposal along with a JSON LD schema definition. Developers from IOG working on the Cardano blockchain made progress this week on improvements to the core node, networking, and consensus protocols. The Ledger team resolved bugs related to treasury withdrawals and delegation options. They also added features to support the recent Conway upgrade, like Ledger events and disallowing votes on expired proposals. On the smart contract front, the Marlowe team demoed tools for building beginner-friendly contracts at the Cardano Summit conference. The Plutus team continued enhancing the API and testing infrastructure. The scaling-focused Mithril team is nearing completion of adapting their client as a library for integration. They also achieved a basic proof of concept for decentralized peer-to-peer networking. On the innovation front, Project Catalyst is preparing to launch Fund 11 this week on Wednesday. A recent presentation on Web3 commerce at the Cardano Summit highlighted how blockchain technology can provide real-world solutions for business. Melanie, can you tell us more?
GM Lloyd. Cory Pugh, CEO of Bridge Tower Capital, discussed how his company built an e-commerce platform to help brands recapture lost customers. By utilizing NFTs and crypto wallets, Bridge Tower's platform allows brands to directly engage with customers, create royalty programs, and operate secondary markets. Pugh explained that onboarding users through KYC and whitelisting custodial wallets ensures funds are protected. He advised that while buzzwords like blockchain and Web3 are popular, the focus should be on solving actual business problems.
The technology, it's of no value unless we can apply it to a real-world use case. And that process is a long process. You need the regulatory side, you need the technology side, and you need the partnerships.
Pugh concluded that combining regulatory compliance, technology, and partnerships can lead to compelling global use cases for Web3 commerce. For GM Cardano, I'm Melanie Duhan.
Thanks, Melanie. The Intersect Membership and Community Committee will hold its first public meeting via Zoom on Tuesday, November 14th at 5 p.m. UTC. The committee will review Intersect's membership planning progress to date and introduce interim committee facilitators. It will also discuss plans and goals for working groups and the community overall as Intersect heads into 2024. Participants are encouraged to attend this virtual meeting. If you have an important story that the Cardano community needs to hear, please use the GM Cardano tip line, gmctips@gmcardano.com, or send us a DM on X to our handle GM_Cardano. For links to these stories, please check our show notes. GM Cardano is your go-to resource for the latest news from the Cardano blockchain. Your support helps us grow. Please like and subscribe on YouTube or wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts. Today's episode was hosted by Lloyd Duhan, produced by Melanie Duhan, and fact-checked by Lloyd and Melanie Duhan.
GM Cardano.